Hey, this is BXBZ again, and today let's talk about some healthy food choices that we all have. And since I'm at home, I dream about food all the time. Most of my time is productive because it goes in scrolling Amazon या फिर Big Basket. So even if you buy it and even if you have those picky things in moderation, that's totally fine. But don't rely on them at all, because at last what is going to make the difference, what is going to enhance your health, overall health, always rely on whole foods. और ये जो फूड मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ, you can have them, definitely no food is good or bad, but my suggestion to you is prioritize the whole food first, and then you can obviously have these. Before starting my list, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and support me so that I could make better content. First, not so super food is cereals. Cereals, as they claim, trans fat free, high in protein, high in dietary fiber. No, just stay away from that. Stick to oats, or if you want to try parathas, even a whole wheat paratha is far better than these cereals. क्योंकि ये cereals के पीछे if you go to the ingredient, there will be so many chemicals in that and lots of added sugar. And they're not contributing to any of the health benefits. They taste great, that's why you tend to buy it again and again thinking that it's healthy, but no, stay away from cereals. And if you're not aware what cereals are, so जो cornflakes होता है, your muesli, your granola, these things, stay away from it. Okay, the second thing that you need to avoid is yogurt. Flavored yogurt I'm talking about. If you can stick to a sugar free natural yogurt, white color का एकदम unprocessed, great. Dahi, great. But if you're going for a flavored dahi, उसमें mango flavor, blueberry flavor, strawberry flavor, just stay away from that, because it is adding up to more sugar, and that sugar is not even from the real fruit. वो syrup जो होता है, they are like fruit syrups जिसमें there is just sugar, because natural sugar of the fruit वो इतने दिन sustain नहीं कर सकता. So you need to put in some chemicals over there, और उससे क्या होता है कि टेस्ट अच्छा आता है when you will have that blueberry yogurt. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Mango yogurt, man, it's like you are having a mango and you're thinking, okay, that's fine. Stick to the natural form, because that will be the least in calories and the maximum in protein. The third thing that I think that you all should avoid are the fruit juices. There is a huge difference in consuming a fruit and a fruit juice, because in a fruit you get a lot of fiber. तो जो fiber होता है when you consume a whole fruit, उसका जो फाइबर होएगा, पहली बात तो इट विल हेल्प यू इन डाइजेशन अ लॉट. सेकेंड, अगर आप एक एप्पल खाते हो फॉर एग्जाम्पल and you have that apple, so you will be full for say at least an hour, and it has the maximum amount of antioxidants or micronutrient मतलब जो भी vitamin and minerals you can get from a whole fruit, you will get all. raw form में कोई भी चीज़ अगर आप लेते हो उसके maximum benefits होते हैं. plus the fruit juices that they claim कि बिल्कुल the companies, I don't want to name them, you all know, but 90% of the fruit juices companies, they add sugar, they add again those preservatives, और उसकी shelf life is like more than 2 years. So what do you expect? A whole fruit is good, beneficial for health, or that thing that is, you know, has the shelf life for 24 months. There has to be something inside that कि वो 2 साल तक expire नहीं होता है. Okay, the fourth thing is that you need to avoid the people, the salesperson who are selling these things are the meal replacement shakes. गेट पे बहुत लोग आए होंगे, आपके रिलेटिव्स में बहुत लोग होंगे, they will claim ये वाला शेक ले लो, ये वाला शेक ले लो. Those shakes are nothing. So just stay away from these meal replacement shakes. They won't help you in losing any kind of weight, calorie deficit will. The next thing is digestive biscuits. I have seen whole wheat biscuits, biscuits made up of 5 grains. So next time you go to the grocery shop and you look back to the ingredients of those biscuits, जो digestive biscuits of made up of fully loaded with 5 grains, 5 super grains. Pick that biscuit, you see the nutrition label. The calories you will be getting from that biscuit is like tremendous amount of calories you will get from it. Instead, if you check out chocolate biscuit, I think those biscuits will have lesser calories. Okay, so the next thing in the list is my favorite too, the protein bars. Protein bar was never a healthy choice. It was just a meal replacement. If you are traveling, if you are not finding time to cook your own meal, or you're not getting the right kind of food to eat to stick to your diet, तब जो आपका protein bar होता है, you use that because it has a better nutrition profile than eating momos and chow mein and going to a restaurant. So it's like बहुत ही गंदा खाने से अच्छा है थोड़ा कम गंदा खा लो. But if you are at home, you have the accessibility of good foods, you have good things in your refrigerator, and still you are picking a protein bar and you're thinking, okay, let's consume it. That's not a healthy choice because protein bars, it is, first of all, वो बहुत ही short span के लिए will make you full. It has a lot of calories, though it has a good amount of protein. That's why I'm saying it's not a bad choice either, but not the healthiest option. तो protein bar अगर आप खाओगे तो आधे घंटे बाद आपको दूसरा खाने का मन करेगा, फिर तीसरा खाने का मन करेगा. मैंने एक दिन में 6 प्रोटीन बार खाई हैं. इट्स वेरी इजी, बट नो, वी वोंट डू दैट. वी विल स्टिक टू होल फूड. टाइम फॉर द अनदर नॉट सो हेल्दी फूड, दैट इज द डेली मीट. अब डेली मीट का मतलब दिल्ली में मिलने वाली मीट नहीं. डेली मीट इज द पैकेज मीट दैट यू गेट. सॉसेजेस, हैम्स, कबाब्स, those frozen meats that you get in every grocery store and you think okay let's have it. बहुत सारे agents होते हैं, highly processed and extremely calorie dense. तो वो sausage और वो salami and kebabs frozen, stay away from that. Sometimes it's good, don't avoid any food completely, but if you are consuming it on a daily basis in a breakfast, you're thinking कि sausage खा लेते हैं, not healthy. So coming up to the list is dried berries. अब dried berries की दिक्कत ये है कि again it comes in a sealed packet with a shelf life of more than 2 years. और उसका nutritional information, if you see, the carbohydrate content is sick. It's like for the dried blueberries is like the least amount of calories you can get from a whole blueberry. But at the same time अगर आप उस dried blueberry में देखो जो पैकेट होता है, you turn it around, you see the carb content, it will be somewhere around 60, और उसमें जो added sugar होगा that will be 50. तो natural sugar का है. It's like the sugar is added sugar. उसमें बहुत सारे preservative मिलाए हैं, and don't think that you're gonna buy the dried blueberry और वो तुम किसी भी अपने मील में यूज़ करोगे, it will have the same benefit. No, don't go for these berries. और बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने berries के बारे में बोल दिया, इतनी इनकी औकात नहीं है. Okay, so another misleading, not so super food. I think most of us consume it, especially when we start going to the gym, is brown bread. And brown bread is not bad if it's in moderation, but it's not the healthiest choice. If you are thinking that your brown bread is healthier than a white bread, I would say there are like 90% of the brands, especially in India, if they claim to be whole wheat bread, just check the labels. You will find the first ingredient there is refined wheat flour, that is मैदा. तो अगर हम whole wheat bread ये सोच के कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि we are getting just the wheat benefits, no, you are getting lots of reagents, emulsifiers, chemical names जो मुझे नहीं पता होता क्या है, but they are chemicals, and yeah, our favorite मैदा. Why we stay away from these things, pizza and the burgers, because we know उसमें मैदा है, but at the same time जो आपका whole wheat bread है उसमें भी मैदा है. तो अगर आपको हमेशा एक ऑप्शन मिले whether to eat a roti or a brown bread, तो कभी भी ब्राउन ब्रेड को प्रेफर मत करना. बिकॉज होल व्हीट रोटी में जो आपको माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड उसका जो मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, इट इज़ फार बेटर देन अ ब्राउन ब्रेड। ओके, सो द लास्ट थिंग दैट इज इन दिस लिस्ट, मैं बोलूँगा लास्ट बट इट्स नॉट द लीस्ट, बिकॉज होता क्या है कि वी आर स्टिकिंग टू अ डाइट, हर चीज़ सही चल रहा है। देन कम्स द कॉन्डिमेंट्स, द सॉसेज, द मेयोनीज, जो भी liquid flavors we use, tomato sauce, the chili sauce, then there is teriyaki, sriracha, mustard sauce. There are like countless sauces in the market, and the kind of labels that they put on the sauce: fat free, light, low calories, 93% fat free, 100% fat free, but the amount of sodium in those sauces is very high, and वो चीज़ें adds up to your daily maintenance calories. Example, if you are thinking that you are consuming 2000 calories in a day, and with every meal you tend to eat a tomato sauce or a chili sauce, they are not 2000 calories, because an average serving of 15 grams, 1 tablespoon hardly, it can add up to 50 to 150 calories. If you are consuming mayonnaise, then it would exceed 150 calories too, because बहुत fat होता है उसमें. Even if you are consuming it, consume it in moderation. And if you're thinking that those fat free and those low calorie things won't affect much, they are affecting you. That is why they are in this list. So that's it about this video. Hope you liked it, or hope you cleared your misconception about foods. काफ़ी foods का आपको पता होगा, लेकिन काफ़ी foods का नहीं होगा. कमेंट डाउन अगर आपको कोई ऐसा फूड पता है कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल वी थिंक इट्स हेल्दी बट इट्स नॉट हेल्दी. लॉट ऑफ पीपल यू डोंट नो मैक्रोज, बट आई एम हेयर टू टीच यू अबाउट दैट. देयर इज अ वीडियो, इफ यू डोंट नो यू कैन check it out. It's very good to see that people, they are getting aware about these things, what to eat and what not to eat, what are macros, what are micros. But still there are some people who knows about these things, but उन्हें लगता है कि मैक्रो कंप्लीट करना ही सब होता है. नहीं, you have to choose your food source as well. इन चीज़ों से खा के अगर आप अपने say कोई हार्ड गेनर है and he is not caring about calories, he is exceeding his calories to say 3500, and he is getting protein, 200 grams of protein from these sources, वो अपना साइज नहीं ग्रो कर सकता, because the kind of food sources he is picking, it's not a healthy choice. वो चीज़ें somewhere it will imbalance your hormones, इतने सारे chemical agents और ये सब, so stay away from that. अगर कोई प्रोटीन बार का डब्बा घर पे रखे है लॉकडाउन में, सो टेल दैट गाय कि नहीं, ये गलत चॉइस है, आप होल फूड खाओ और 3 प्रोटीन बार मुझे दे दो, आप कम रखो, और शेयरिंग करेंगे इस चीज़ की, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ हेल्दी चॉइस. सो दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ. लेट्स सी what we can figure out in the next video, what I can make, what I can contribute, and I love you. Bye bye.